In today's video, I'm going to be doing my mum's acrylic nails, and she really wanted like the clear tip effect with tons of glitter in there, so that's exactly what we're going to be doing. And I'm starting off, of course, I've already done my prep and I'm using my ultimate favorite nail tips, which are the easy tips. I'm going to be linking everything that I'm using either on the screen or down in the description box so you can check everything out there. But let's get straight into this nail look. So I'm trimming down the tips because y'all, my mum cannot manage with super long nails. We also are going to file them into the rounded shape, which is why I love the easy tips for that, because you just literally take off those corners, join the rounded bit. I mean, you'll see how easy it is, but they create the most beautiful little baby oval ever. I just love how easy it is, hence the name Easy Tips. How has everybody been doing? Yeah, I feel like I'm on a bit of a roll with the videos and getting lots of content up for you guys, so I'm hoping that you are enjoying that. I'm going to be filming my nails next. I'm going to do a glitter encapsulated set with lots of sparkles. I think I'm going to go like autumn vibes, coppers, a bit of caramel tone, browns, you know what I'm saying? So I'm excited for that. And then I'm also going to do a neutral acrylic set, just nude cover powder with some gel designs on top. So that is coming up very soon, so get ready for those as well. And as I mentioned in my previous video, I am going to be doing the subscribers draw my nail sets or nails, so I will be posting that soon. I just want to get, well, I tell you what the reason was. I had been like biting my nails and picking my skin like an absolute tragedy that I am sometimes. So I had to wait until those kind of got better so I could take a nice blank canvas picture for you guys to draw the nail designs on. So I'll be posting that soon, and there will be a document for you guys to download, fill out, and then resubmit so that I can, you know, use that to a reference from, and then I can recreate them. So I'm really like seriously excited for that, because I want to do something a bit more crazy, a bit more fun, just get you guys more involved in my videos. Plus I have another episode of my fairy nail tales coming soon. You guys are going to lose it when you see the set, like absolutely lose it. So make sure you have your notifications on, because I do not want you to miss that. It is absolutely bomb. And if you're new here and you're not sure what my fairy nail tales set is, it is a series of videos where I sculpt crazy things on my nails and have a little bit of a story with it as well. Fictional, I was going to say fictional, I don't know if that's the right word. Made up, basically. Something cutesy, something, you know, fabulous, and just my mind going wild basically on some nails. Very competition style, very out there, definitely not wearable unless it was for like a runway or some kind of event. But yeah, I'm going to link the playlist so you can check out the current ones that are already up, and then get ready for the next episode, because like I say, you're going to be absolutely losing it. I finished shaping up all the nail tips. My mum was happy with this length. To be honest, I do feel like it might have been still a little long for what she usually has, but she was going on holiday anyway, so I don't think she minded. She's going to be on the beach sipping cocktails and just enjoying herself in Egypt, so I don't think she minded too much. So we, like I said, prepped the tips as well, buffed them, got rid of that shine, blended them in, and then I'm coming in with my favourite primer, which is the Nailmate Pro Bond. This is perfect for those that have problem lifting. If you don't need like a super strength primer, definitely I can recommend the Ultra Prime. That is our non-acid primer, but the Pro Bond is our acid-based primer, which is just an extra strength, fabulous primer. I use them both, but this one is my go-to, like for most sets. So once I've done that, it's time to come in with the clear base, and as always I'm using the Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic and the Premium Adhesive Monomer. I'm just picking up a small bead that suits the size of that nail plate, popping it on the nail, blending it down, pulling it down over those tips, and that is our clear base done. Now back in the day I did used to file and refine this one, like this base, but you know what, I've got a lot of practice with it, and now I feel like the application on it is absolutely fine for me to go straight in with design. I think what my issue was, like back when I first started, I would still do that clear base a little bit too thick, so I'd need to kind of file it down. It literally just needs to be a protective layer over that nail bed. I also have a brand ambassador challenge. I'm so excited. We are doing ghost face nails. I've got a week to create the set. Well, the only requirements is to do 4 nails, so we can like do the video and picture of the 4 nails. So I'm really excited to see everybody's entries. I'm obviously going to be filming mine, and I will include everybody's in the video. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to, yeah, I'll upload it after everybody's posted so that I can get everybody's content, pop it in, share their handles so you can go and show them some love and follow them as well for, you know, future contents and updates and all of that good stuff, and just have a look at their entries to the brand ambassador nail challenge as well. So, okay, back to the nails. My mum wanted, she actually didn't request pink, she just requested iridescent, but for some reason I ended up picking the pink flame, which then drew me to the pinks. So we had a bit of pink glitter in there as well. She was super happy with how it turned out. She was getting a little picky, but you know what? I'm like, mother, you're going to have to just let me have one turn of choosing what is going on your nails, like just once, please. And she was like, okay, I'll let you decide. So thank goodness for that. I got to have creative freedom, which was very, very freeing, even though I didn't push it to the boundaries. You know what I'm saying? I didn't push it further. I should have done something absolutely crazy, but you know, I was having a busy day, so I also did need to just get the set done in out as fast as I could, which sounds so bad, I know, but when you're busy, I literally fit her in on, what was it, I can't remember what day it was, but she was also like half an hour late as well, or it might have been an hour, because she's like, I'm just gonna be a little bit late, I'll be there at such a time. I was like, a little? It's an hour. Like, that's a long time. But anyway, we managed to get it in, so I kept it simple, and yeah, it looked so cute. Unfortunately, I have got to say the video is definitely not doing it justice, like how sparkly and cute this set looked. I feel like the pink flame made the clear acrylic look, what's the word, not as translucent as it is, but when you saw them in person, the amount that pink flame on the back reflected, because it was all iridescent on the back, like I didn't leave any clear spots as such. It was deceiving, but looked absolutely stunning. It's so hard to capture on camera, even on the videos. I just found it super duper difficult, but it just looked so good in person. If you haven't already subscribed, you guys, I would love it if you could go ahead and subscribe. I upload nail tutorials with full video length format, like long form content, and shorts every single week, so you guys can get your weekly nail fix. I do gels, acrylics, swatching, reviews, loads of different things. Hopefully you will stick around, subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying this set as well. I was trying here to capture how pretty it looked. I still didn't do it justice. Can you see how like the actual nail tip free edge is completely like iridescent? It was so pretty. Like I said, just wasn't picking it up. But anyway, me trying again to show you guys exactly how beautiful it was. And then I'm going to come in, I'm capping everything in the Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic, which is the most crystal clear acrylic ever. It just looks absolutely stunning, bubble free, self-leveling, and non-yellowing as well, which is amazing. Once I've finished encapsulating the design in crystal clear, it's time to come in and file and buff and do all of that good stuff. So I do that off of camera, and then I'm going to come in and add my top coat. And as always, you guys know that I absolutely love the Nailmate Super Gloss. So that is what I'm going to be top coating the nails with to reveal this gorgeous shine and shimmer. And as I said previously, it really did not do this set absolute justice in video. You had to kind of be there in person to see the pretty sparkles, the pretty iridescence, the shimmers. It just wasn't getting it, and I was so annoyed, but hopefully you guys get the vibe. Iridescent, sparkle, clear tip, absolutely stunning. My mum was obsessed. She couldn't stop like clacking her nails together. She was like, yes. She was super excited for her holiday after this. I mean, sometimes the nails just make it, like you feel holiday ready, good to go, and I was just super glad she was happy with how they turned out. As always, after curing in the light, I allow that gel to cool slightly before applying my cuticle oil, but we are going to be applying this gorgeous, gorgeous cuticle oil. It's stunning, and also we have so many different scents, like seriously, so many different scents to choose from. So if you've been looking for a new cuticle oil to carry around and be obsessed with, then definitely check them out because they are so good. I'm applying that, rubbing it in, making sure to rub away from the nail so I don't make them all glossy and oily before I get the final shot. And then I'm going to share the final shots with you guys and attempt again to try and get some cute shots where you guys can really see the iridescent. I think I failed again, but hopefully you get the gist. So that is it, you guys. That is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was a simple glitter acrylic set, but honestly, sometimes these are all we need. They look absolutely gorgeous, and I just want to say thank you so much for joining me. And as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different because you've got this, and I love you. Mwah. Bye.
Ain't no way you just caught me now standing outside in the rain.